And that's nicely done. That little bit of song you heard right there was The Fabulous Your Demise with Nothing Left But Regret. Oh. I have to warn you now that I am suffering quite badly with hay fever, and I will be sniffing and probably sneezing at various points in this video. Oh. Just like that, sorry. Alright, this is going to be a short one because of it, and I've actually tried to upload 3 videos, and they've all failed. There's all been something wrong with them. It's a fantastic long one, 27 minutes long and beautiful, no problems. And the sound was not there. All it was the whole way through, which sucks. Then I made another video, and it was just awful. It was just me sneezing constantly, which was horrible, 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 horrible. And I made another video. That was about 10 minutes long, and it was pretty decent, I have to admit, even if it was just my opinion. Oh, that's me. I'm seriously. This is just a short video of me playing. I have tried, and it's failed. And then another video was a pretty decent one, apart from the fact that I saw a collapse at one point, and it wouldn't let me do anything, which really, really sucks. Yeah, I lost my internet connection. Oh, I was doing a shout out to Dean because he got new videos to speak about politics, and I will talk about politics at some point, but today is not that day. Tomorrow may be that day. Today I'm going to, well, right now, because of how I'm feeling, I'm going to talk to you about fucking hay fever. Sorry about that. Before that, I just want to show you my new Captain Junk t-shirt, which I got when I saw them. I saw Palm Reader. I saw the colour morale, and headlining was We came as Romans. Yeah, another lovely t-shirt. And also show off my shorts. You can see. Get it up there. No second chance. UK hardcore. Decent blokes. And on the hat. Oh, I'll come down here. I'll take it up and do this. Yeah. Emule. That's Emule. I like Emule. A lot of people don't. I like Emule. If you look at my videos, you actually see I do a video where I put my vocals over the top of Drop Dead a Friend. Or Fiend. I don't know. Oh god, I hate it so friggin' much. If I could destroy one thing in this world, actually, I feel it would be in second on this one. If I could destroy anything, I'd be first to destroy these bananas. I'm wondering why bananas, because I'm actually allergic to them, and the smell makes me want to throw up. The sight of them is just horrible, and oh, I'm so sorry. They generally don't agree with me at all. Second thing I want to destroy is my nostril system, or my work system, bloody well it is. The one that causes me to have hay fever. I would not destroy the pollen that it gives me, because we need the pollen to live, but I will destroy the function in which I get hay fever. Oh, excuse me. And the funny thing is, I imagine a few people out there will go, dangerous! Oh, I can't be asked. I don't care. Some ginger people are really, really hot, and the only ginger I've really got is my beard. And I really can't be bothered. I like my beard. Maybe I'll dye it one day. Bright pink. Yeah, and then you want the ginger back. Oh, I've got to go down to town soon. Got to take back some library books, like a good little boy. I don't mind, I've got 9 days yet, but I've read all the ones I've got. And it's the, the manga series called Monster. Fantastic, set in Germany. Yeah, and it's actually really good. I've got 2 books to read. I've got book 17, book 18, and I'll get to the end of it. And literally, I cannot wait. It's going to be fantastic. So, oh, I hate hay fever so much. My nostrils are running. They're itchy. They're red. They're sore. And I got gas. Because that's nothing to do with the hay fever. It makes me sneeze. I hate sneezing. Oh my god, there's not much worse than sneezing. It is awful. One day, in the future, hay fever will be a thing of the past. And I'll be much, much appreciated for it. But it cannot come soon enough. It can't come soon enough. Because I hate it so much. I hate it so much, and now I'm whining like a little bitch. Ugh. Always had hay fever. Always will have hay fever. And I really, really, really hate it. Good thing is I haven't sneezed for this video yet, which is always a bonus. I might have sneezed. One thing you'll learn is I tend to forget things. And don't put it down like, oh, you smoked weed, you're a dopehead, of course you won't forget. I don't smoke weed. I just, so yeah, I hope none of you suffer as bad as me, because this is just ridiculous. We've had 2 days, maybe 3 days, of sunshine, and we're already in virtually summer, and it is pollinating everywhere. Spring has come. Why did spring have to come? We normally have a summer of 2 weeks, and yet we have 3 days of lovely sunshine. And we get pollinated on. The English, eh? We wait, oh, yeah, for someone to go on, he turns up, we're like, oh! Wow! I'm still going to go on holiday and leave this country behind. Oh. You know, I got a message off a friend of mine, Amy, and I sent her on the videos, just for her to watch, just for the head of it. And she sends back, how drunk were you? I said, I wasn't, I was perfectly sober. Yeah, right. I am sober doing these things. I mean, if I look at the time, it's 25 to 1. I've only legally been able to drink for a few years. So yesterday, the video was like at 3, 4, something like that, I can't remember. But I'm not drunk. I'm not smoking anything. I'm not taking anything. Apart from the antihistamines that don't seem to be working. Fucking things. Oh. I'm going to to take a few pictures when I go out, just because I can, because I've got a nice camera. It's probably buried at the moment. I need to get that out. Anyway. In the friends we trust, yay! If you don't know any of the bands that I am supporting today, please go check them out because they will be worth your while. If they're not worth your while, then this is this way of saying, screw you. Actually, not screw you because a lot of people have different takes and I don't want to force any of those onto any of you. I'm talking really quickly because I'm making this up just like a small thing at the end of an advert. Small thing at the end of an advert, I tell you a lot of things without telling you actually anything at all. Please sign here and there you go. You are now the sole owner of one bean and you've paid 16 million for it. I didn't see that. It was in the small print. Fuck's sake. I hate small print. I mean, just tell us. Tell us everything. There's no point in hiding it. Especially when you need a magnifying glass to read it. This is a joke. It's an absolute joke. I mean, I just... Oh my days. Small print on, like, loan sharks. If we do not pay back this money in 2016, we will come to your house, we will take your house, we will take your children, we will rape your children will never be in picnic with our children, and then our children will come back and steal every penny you've got, and you will have never be able to do it because you signed a contract saying that this is the APN of 1,668,000, and this is the date you have to pay back, and if you don't pay back within this date, you are screwed. If you decide to pay back early, we will charge you an extra 20 grand. And if you don't pay that extra 20 grand, we will charge you another 50 grand. And we will always charge more until you pay it all up. And if you can't pay it all, then we'll take everything you've got, and you're still going to owe us money. And when you get a new job and a new house, I think we'll take that as well to compensate yourselves. And then if we don't pay up after that lot, and then we will feed you to the sharks, and that's why they call it dry sharks. Yeah. If you can hear anything I said there, fair play. If you can't hear anything, that's the point of small talk. Small print is supposed to make you go, what do you say? Yeah. End of the day, look, sign here, sign here, sign here. Forget the small print, just sign here. Don't read small print, just sign here. What's the small print for say? That we're really nice people who won't screw you out of any money. You promise? Oh, that's nice, now I'll sign the doctor. Your soul is now mine! I am the devil, and I have taken your soul. Oh, but you're really nice people. We are. We're the nicest people in hell. Hell is where we reside, and we're the nicest people you can come across in hell. I will feed you to the sharks. Good night.